Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to assemble the exhaust valve from a Sherco 300 2019. As you can see, the cylinder is completely clean. This is a hard work and it's better to have this part done by a professional. The valve can be cleaned by yourself, so be patient, take your time and leave it as clean as possible. The first step is to place the valve in its housing. Introduce the first valve shaft through the screw hole. Take your time. You can push it with your finger and then use the other shaft to push the first one up to the end. Then it's time to match the two bearings with the booster. Don't forget to place the circlip. Now we have to do the same with the second booster. Place the two new bearings and the circlip. Introduce the second shaft in its place. As you can see here in the video, and match it with the booster. This part goes inward. We have to do the same with the second booster. Remember, this part goes inward. And now we need to use this screw with the new washer. This is the stopper. Tighten it. Install the circlip to hold the booster in its place using the correct pliers. Put the circlip, introduce the circlip in its groove. Make sure it's correctly fixed. And now it's time to make sure the valve moves correctly using the pliers. Replace the O-ring inside the actuator support and place it with its two screws. Pay attention, the first screw is longer than the second one. Once this part is done, install the valve cover along with a new gasket. and tighten the 4 screws. Install the exhaust chamber cover along with the new gasket, and then tighten the 4 screws. This is the last part we are about to finish. And this is all, guys, for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please push the like button. If so, subscribe to my channel. As you can see, the movement is perfect. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.